Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or off lock SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then go down and tap on biometrics and security. Next, swipe down and tap on other security settings. Then tap on Setup SIM card lock. Now tap on the switch to switch it off. You will need to put in a current SIM pin to unlock it. Otherwise, if you want to lock your SIM card, you tap on the switch to turn it on and put in the current SIM pin. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.